Now I'm really excited to welcome Jeremy Robinson, Support Community Manager at Convercent, and my colleague, David Gillespie. David, Jeremy, I'll let you take it away.
Thanks, Emily. As Emily mentioned, I'm a product manager here at Zendesk, focused on our strategic integrations, and the status page integration is one of the products that I manage. Today, I'm really excited to be here with Jeremy Robinson. Jeremy, welcome to the webinar. Can you tell us a little bit more about Convercent and your role there?
Thanks, David. It's great to be here. Convercent is the leading global provider of ethics and compliance cloud software. We connect ethics to business performance by weaving ethics and values into everyday operations in over 600 of the world's largest companies. Our platform provides a suite of applications that gives businesses and executives insights required to make proactive, informed decisions about their company's ethical health. Me personally, I've been with Convercent for almost 11 months now and joined as their support community manager. My primary focus has been managing their online help center and online user community to get that built out.
Thanks for the overview, Jeremy. Are you able to tell us a little bit more about the companies that you serve?
Absolutely. Because our software is geared towards any industry, big or small, it could be a company that produces cement out of South America, it could be a tobacco company, an automotive manufacturer company, a healthcare company. Our customer base really runs that full gamut and spread. It's not limited to you have to be in this particular field of work.
And who are the typical users of your products?
Most of our typical users are going to be your ethics and compliance officers, your HR managers, people managers, anyone within a business that's really there to keep an eye on ethics and compliance, regulations, any sorts of educational measures, whether it's maybe a harassment training or a new policy training, if something were to change, whether it's local or global policy.
It sounds like a really interesting problem to solve. Are you able to maybe go back into a little bit more detail about how the software works and how you actually track ethical compliance?
Absolutely. Our platform is 100% SaaS-based, so it is in the cloud. I would say your day-to-day user is really going to be your HR managers, your ethics and compliance officers, or your people managers. They're going to go into that tool and that platform to review a number of different things, whether it's to see a report of maybe your employee base that hasn't completed a policy training or a sexual harassment training, or maybe someone started to submit a conflict of interest disclosure and close that out, or maybe someone filed a complaint and you as a legal officer or an ethics and compliance officer want to see how that's playing out or how a past report was handled. Using those different types of data points within our platform not only gives you insight into how your business is doing today, but allows you to really understand what behaviors, what models of ethics or compliance or policies you even have in place are going to drive better behavior and better process out of your employees tomorrow to make your company stand up on that next level.
That's awesome. So sort of taking another approach to the mode, so how do you support your customers? Like, what's the typical sort of support request that you and your team would receive?
For our customer base, we provide phone and email or ticket-based support directly. We leverage Zendesk Guide a lot to allow them to self-serve 24/7 so that they can get answers even if our team isn't directly available. And I would say for the most part, the typical types of requests that our team receive outside of kind of your basic I can't log in questions are going to be more of my report data is different from your tool compared to what I might be able to pull from the API. Can you help me understand that difference? Or my training video doesn't play in Internet Explorer. Can you help diagnose why?
Okay, that's very helpful context. Thanks, Jeremy. And how large is your team at Convercent as well?
Our team overall is just under 200 employees. I would say a good chunk is primarily out of our Denver headquarters, and that's probably about 140 employees, and then another 20 or so in our London office. Between the two sites, people that work directly in Zendesk within that support system, we have 6 support agents, 2 in our London office and then the other 4 local to Denver.